Good morning, friends. Firstly, I would like to thank you for taking time on a weekday, right? And happy World Earth Day. So today we are happy to see so many happy faces and so many volunteers who have come to give their efforts in contributing something back to the environment. Yeah, thank you. I'm David from SayTrees. I have with me my lead, Mr. Satisha. I have Arif, our data manager. So my runners are also here. We are going to support you today. And we have a target of 1,000 saplings today. Okay, so today we are going to do plantation in Miyawaki type of plantation. Before that, this land belongs to Karnataka Forest Department, right? So this land is directly overlooked by the DCF for Bangalore urban. So they make regular visits, and also this falls under Thurahalli Forest Reserve Forest area. Okay. So this area, just before it gets enclosed or someone comes into the place, we thought, okay, we are going to make it a more greener space, which is going to serve the community and also for the biodiversity here. So we have a target of total 40,000 plus saplings, which we are going to plant in this particular location. We have done with 5,000, so the area behind that also is going to be planted, or it's going to be created more greener space. Okay, maybe in the span of 6 to 7 months, we'll be able to see more like a park kind of a thing, or more of a green lung, right? So people are definitely going to get benefit out of this particular site. As I saw, like a lot of you were very keen in seeing bird species here, right? So we have observed more than 10 or 15 plus varieties of birds. We have spotted some good amount of reptiles, right? So this area is very rich in biodiversity. I think it is our duty to save that richness, right? So that is why we are here today. So yeah, about Miyawaki, I think I see a lot of volunteers who have been with us. Thank you, sir. Thank you for taking time. So who have been with us, continuously participating in our events, right? So yeah, I think our senior volunteers know better like how to do it. But still, for the people who are new, I'll tell you what are we going to do today. So today we are going to do about 1,000 saplings. So this is called Miyawaki type of plantation. So this particular technique was introduced by a Japanese botanist by name Dr. Akira Miyawaki. Right? In spaces like, in countries like Japan, you see the space is very limited and there is a lot of infrastructure come up, right? So this smaller Miyawaki space acts like a lung or green zone in their areas, where in 1 square meter area we do about 2 to 3 saplings, right? It's all of native varieties based on the soil reports, like what is taken. And here what we do usually, we put up one canopy tree, one shrub, one tall growing tree, a tree which gives fruits, right? It's more of a dense plantation. In a forest you don't see straight lines. So likewise here also we try to, it has to be planted, right? So over a period of time, maybe in the span of next 6 months to 10 months time, you'll be able to see trees up to like 8 to 10 feet tall. In the span of 2 years, it will be around 16 to 20 feet tall trees, right? Unlike the normal conventional type of plantation, what we do near our lakes, footpaths, near our homes, right? So here the growth is really fast, and also when it comes to survival and sustainability is quite high. We have observed for the past 8 to 10 years time, we have observed the survival of 75% and above only, right? So in Bangalore alone, we have about 30 plus forests created so far, and from SayTrees we are also working on lakes. We are rejuvenating around 100 lakes.